Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And what are these small guys? In my previous project that I make a skeleton LED flasher, and I said in that video that I will put this skeleton circuit in epoxy resin. So let's start. I'm making a custom mold for this project. Call it skeleton LED flasher, and the ratio of the epoxy resin is 2:1, and I'm using from adding a company this epoxy resin, and I'm use it for a long time. Right now I'm placing the circuit into the mold and pouring the epoxy resin. I have a homemade UV light with a couple of LEDs just to for faster curing the resin. Here it is. Turned out pretty cool. Transparent epoxy resin skeleton circuit that is working right now. Once again, to mention to all of you who don't know what is this, it's a 1.5, or in this case I'm using 1.2 volts LED blinker that will work with one battery. This is 1000 milliamperes for about 10 days. It's good. Let's see the close-ups. While making this epoxy resin project, I made a couple of more Lego LEDs in epoxy resin. These have no functions, but it's looking nice with the chip. Cool. But this one is working. It's a LED with coil, copper coil, and that copper coil is giving electricity to power up the LED. How can work this? Let's see. This device is my homemade wireless stairs or wireless energy transmitter, and this one have a LED inside the man, and when you place it right here, it's light up. All these gadgets are wireless, like this. It's not working. Here it's receiving the electricity, wireless, and LEDs are on. I have a DeLorean, sand, gravel. Alright, good stuff. Okay, that was all for today's video, which was a little presentation of my latest project, LED blinker in epoxy resin, and couple of more Lego epoxy resins, small resins. Good, thank you for watching. Give a like. Not to forget to mention, if you want to build a circuit, I have the schematic in my previous video. Just check my YouTube channel.